Good day, children. I am Jessica. Today, our subject is basic science and technology. The theme is physical and health education, and the topic is chemical pollution. Today, our topic is what? Chemical pollution. So, at the end of today, I expected to know the meaning of chemical pollution and also know some of the examples of chemical pollution and the ways we can prevent chemical pollution. So, chemical pollution occurs when there is a release of dangerous material produced in the laboratory or industry or factory into the environment. So, when you produce dangerous material from the factory and release it into the air, it can cause what? Chemical pollution. We have chemicals that contaminate the air, water, and soils. Chemical can contaminate what? Air, water, and soil. Contaminate means pollute. Chemicals can pollute what? The air, soil, and also water. So, example of chemical pollution. Chemicals that causes water and land pollution include fertilizer, pesticide, and herbicide. When there is what? Excessive usage of these chemicals, it can cause water or land pollution. Number 2 is chemical that causes air pollution. We have sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide. I said sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and carbon monoxide. These chemicals causes what? Air pollution. So you have seen vehicles that the exhaust releases a large quantity of smoke. That smoke coming out of that vehicle is known as what? Carbon monoxide. So how do we prevent this chemical pollution? We have ways we can prevent chemical pollution. One is factories should stop discharging waste products into the river. Factories, they should stop discharging waste products into the river. Number 2 is factories should avoid releasing poisonous gas into the air. Number 3 is there should be law that disallows smoking in public. There should be what? Law that disallows smoking in public. Number 4 is vehicles should be regularly serviced to avoid releasing smoke into the air. Hope you understood today's class. Remember to go to the class dojo for your assignment. Remain safe. Bye. Good day, everyone. I'm Jessica. Today, our subject is basic science and technology. The theme is basic science, and the topic is characteristics of underdeveloped technology. Our topic for today's class is what? Characteristics of what? Underdeveloped technology. At the end of today, I expected to know how to mention some of the characteristics of what? Underdeveloped technology. Number 1 of it here is it is a low profile technology. What do I mean by being a low profile technology? I mean that the technology here is not advanced. If you look at our previous class, you will notice that some of the example of underdeveloped technology like a hoe, cutlass, shovel, the technology there is not what? Developed. Number 2 is it involves olden days method. That means like in our previous class, I defined what underdeveloped technology means, and I said that it is a technology that involves the olden method of doing things. So this particular underdeveloped technology involves what? Olden method of doing things. For example, now we use firewood to cook. Unlike today, that technology is now more advanced, that we can now use our what? Electric cooker to cook. Number 3 is shortage of skilled manpower. What do I mean by skilled manpower? These are people trained, well educated to do a specific job. When there is a lower skills, this is what is responsible for insufficient and inefficient production, which can lead to what? Poverty of the masses. So when there is a lower skill, it means that the people there will be suffering. There will be poverty everywhere. We have come to the end of today's class. Remember to go to your class dojo for your assignment. Bye.